What's up, dude?
Hey.
Eduardo and family. Might be a cold one.
Good, it's good.
We'll see.
It's gonna be a great one.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's gonna be so cool. I think we're gonna get into some leaf pow. You know, like instead of skiing in powder, we're gonna be in leaf powder today.
That'd be badass.
Yeah. Could be fun.
Cool. You come through these, give us some gas. Ah, go, 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 go. Keep going. Nice.
Funnest thing I've done all year.
Oh yeah, dude. Look at
Best
that.
day of my life.
Yeah. It's a little blustery out today.
Yeah, it's kind of windy.
What kind of leaf peeping is this?
Yeah, right.
Oh. Dude, it's like kind of snowing. What do you think, dude?
It's awesome.
Pretty fun, right?
Yeah, it's fun.
He's ready to take
I
this
like
thing
the
home.
mud. I like the mud. I like hitting it. All the mud. We're all dirty now. It's like, yes, that's awesome. That is awesome.
That's the goal.
These things are fun though.
Does anyone not like... It's official. We got full on snow today. Winter yet, dude. Can't feel my hands.
I can't feel anything.
Yeah. What do you got?
Nuts.
Nuts?
Aki.
Good place for him. Wheel bearings. Ball joints.
Dirty knees. Look at these.
Trail Boss's new boot goofing. Mid-maintenance.
I don't have like Peeping glass.
Care for Brandon, big guy.
All the blood's in my head. I'm seeing stars. I'm like,
Dylan, dude, nice boots.
dude, how many videos are you gonna take of my nice boots?
All of the videos.
The limit does not exist.
Look at my nice.
Dylan, what brand are those boots, though?
Dude, how many times? I went this morning. It took me a while to figure out what I was gonna wear.
Wait, what's the most important tool in the garage?
The hammer.
Confusion, it's such a terrible shame. Confusion.
Things looked a little funny, and we're just beginner mechanics. But we found out that L actually stands for Larry, which means you put it on the driver's side of the vehicle because Larry normally drives. And then the R that's on that one stands for Ricky, and Ricky is supposed to go on the passenger side. So maybe it'll look a little better after we do that. Ah, that looks much better. This is what happened last time. It's like in the tread block, so it's probably good. Unless it's not.
Dude, it might have been chill.
Dude, we're good.
It was like.
Every rose has its thorn.
Buzz, 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 Buzz Lightyear to the rescue.
Buzz Lightyear to the rescue! Star Command, do you read me? So far, there's no intelligent life anywhere.
But it rides like a Cadillac.
My name is Buzz Lightyear. I come in peace. What up, Dan?
Going out for a rip, bud.
Going out for a rip, brother.
For a rip, brother. Rastafari.